Hey, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the newest Christian subscription box called the Butterfly Box. So if you're curious to know what's inside, as I am, let's go ahead and get started. All right, before we get unboxing the Butterfly Box, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you like these type of reviews. Let's go ahead and open this box and see what's included. First of all, the Butterfly Box is a woman Christian box. It is designed by women-owned. It's a women-owned business, and they really are focused on bringing quality products to help women grow in their faith. And so I was so excited when they asked me if I wanted to check out one of their boxes. Of course, I said yes. And so let's see what is included. So let's see, there's a customized little note here for me. That was real sweet. It's customized with my name. It just says, thank you so much for sharing this box. We have a special discount for those of you who are interested in subscribing. You're going to get a free surprise box with their first subscription box. So if you use the code Tracy BOGO, and I will put that in the description for you, you will be able to get a free surprise box with your first subscription box. So you're going to get two boxes, one of the subscription box and one surprise box. So for the price of one, and both boxes are going to ship together. So that is exciting. They said it doesn't go to gift boxes or mini bundle subscriptions, but it does include the standard subscription. So that is super exciting, and I will definitely make sure that you have the link and the code for that. I also want to thank Butterfly Box for sending this box to review. I don't get any money for this box, but if you do subscribe, I will get a commission. It is an affiliate commission, and that does support help support our ministry. So thank you guys so much if you do decide to move on and get you one of these boxes. So let's see what's included. We get the welcome to the Butterfly Box. Thank you for joining the community. And they want to let you know that you can email the founder directly if you have any questions, or if you have, great comments or concerns. You can email the founder directly, which is really nice. And then we have a card that just talks about what's inside the box. It looks like this box is themed becoming like Jesus. So that is exciting. They'll tell us everything that's included in the box. And then it looks like a card on Free Reign International. I'm not sure if they are donating this month to them. I suspect that they are. Let's see. Sheer Love. Oh, yeah. Here it is. Sheer Love International. So this month's ministry sponsorship is Sheer Love International. So they're going to donate a portion of their proceeds to Sheer Love International. And they say they are designed to educate and empower people by providing education in hair design, equipping people with vocational knowledge, financial training, and personal development. So what they do is, every month, obviously, they have to cover their expenses, and then they have profit. And part of their profit or proceeds will go to different ministries that they support. And so today, the ministry sponsorship is Sheer Love International. So that's great. Although this one is called, here it is, Sheer Love International. So there we are. So that's nice that they donate a portion of their sales proceeds to different ministries. I like that. That's really nice. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out of here is a sign that says, in a world where you can be anything, be like Jesus. Yeah, so I'm going to definitely hang this next to me so I can always remember. I can always remember who I really want to be like. Sometimes you got to watch. Sometimes I got to watch. So this is a hanging sign. And it's a sign that's a daily reminder of what we should strive for to be like Jesus. So all of us who have had the veil removed can see and reflect the glory of the Lord. And the Lord, who is the Spirit, makes us more and more like him as we are changed into his glorious image. They're quoting 2 Corinthians chapter 3, verse 18 for that. So that is a very lovely sign. And then we have, this is called Ladybug Blessings Peppermint Foot Cream. Peppermint and eucalyptus essential oil. Ladybugsblessings.com. So this is a peppermint foot cream, which I totally need because last night, you guys, my feet were just so sore. You know, I do have problems with my feet. And Lonnie was so sweet. Lonnie, who's my husband, grabbed my lotion and help massage some of the pain away. He's so sweet. So today I might try the peppermint foot cream. Let's smell it and see how delightful it is. Oh, it does smell like peppermint candy. Let's try it. I know it's supposed to be foot cream, but I'll try it on my hand just so you guys can see it. It's got a nice thick consistency to it. And a lovely smell. So let's see what they're saying, if there's anything that they have on their card for this. So they say, this is the Bless My Tired Feet Peppermint Foot Cream. The foot cream is perfect for worn out, tired feet. That is my feet right there. And it's made with pure essential oils. And it has a quick cooling muscle relief effect. Ladybug Blessings is a woman-owned Christian business that specializes in all natural products for self-care. I love that. Okay, the next thing in here is called Christian Culture, a game of Christian conversations. Well, let's check this out. I've never played this game. If you've played this game before, let me know in the comments below what you think of it. It's the first time I've ever actually seen this game. And you guys know how much me and my kids, for those of you guys who have followed this channel, you know that me and my kids play games all the time. So we used to have, before my son went away to college, we used to have family game night. And we started doing that when the kids were super young. We did that because we didn't have any money. Let's just be honest what that was about. We didn't have any money. And so we started doing board games every Sunday as our kind of, you know, not just board games, but we do hide and seek and stuff like that as kind of our entertainment and something to do with the kids. And, you know, we were not doing well during the Great Recession at all. And so that was something that we could do with our kids. And let me tell you, it has brought us together so close. It was such a wonderful thing. I will never, ever regret having that time with my kids every Sunday as family game night. So even now when they come, like my son comes up from college, he'll like stick around and we'll do family game night with the girlfriends now. So the girlfriends come and do it too. So it's a load of fun. I highly recommend it. Let's talk about this Christian Culture card. It says has 4 categories: icebreakers, hot topics, and interpretations and stories. These cards add fun and meaningful conversation to your fellowship. Created by Culture Games, who love to celebrate cultural diversity and create fun memories through their games. Well, let's check it out. It says ages 13 plus, and you have to have at least 2 players. So each of the cards are color coded. So the blue ones are icebreakers. The red ones are hot topics. The green ones are interpretations. And the yellow ones are Christian culture. So let's pick out a couple of them and see. And I won't go into like playing this game completely because, you know, that would take forever. But let's pick hot topics. So this one, the question is, what are some common misconceptions about being a Christian? So let me know in the comments below what you think are some common misconceptions about being a Christian. I think for me, if I was going to answer this with my family, it would be that people think that Christians are holier than thou. And I think that's a huge misconception. Most of the Christians that I know are full of love and care for so many people, like everyone around them. They have such wonderful hearts. And they do their best, you know, to live lives that are holy, but we're all sinners. And so, you know, the Christians that I know truly don't hold themselves in that kind of position, but rather love everyone and care about everyone. So I'd love to know below if you have any comments on misconceptions about Christians. Let's pick one more. This one, let's see. Let's discuss. So this one is called interpretation. This one says, let's discuss what does contentment mean to you? So if you'd like to add your thoughts in the comments below. So these are really great to just kind of maybe after dinner, grab a couple of these cards and just have a nice discussion around the dinner table or during your family game night. So that is Christian Culture, a game of Christian conversations. This is not one that I think that anyone, quote unquote, like who's the winner. I don't know how you would, there's no instructions about if there would be a winner. I just think everybody wins when you sit and have a good discussion with your family. So that is the Christian Culture card game. Let's see what else is in the box. So this is another box. Ooh, fancy pen. Let's look at the fancy pen. Fancy pen. See what they say. Is there anything about this? God is still writing your story pen with stylus and gift box. Oh, it says God is still writing your story. Quit trying to steal the pen. That's hilarious. That totally cracks me up, actually. So the pen is blue ballpoint ink pen. I love this. Would be a great gift. I think I will probably gift it to my son who's graduating in May, and he's going to college, and I think this would be a wonderful gift to give him, so I'm going to set it aside for him. Too bad it's not purple, because where he's going is they have purple and white as the colors, so, but I think he'll like the orange, so super cool. And the orange actually kind of matches the color here. So anyways, let me finish talking about what they say about this pen. So the pen is a stylus, and it has an encourage message. It says, use the pen during quiet times to be reminded that God is the one who's writing your story. You don't have to force his will to happen. You just have to surrender and trust that he will surely bring it to completion. Amen. Okay. And lastly, it looks like we have a box here called Made for More, an invitation to live in God's image. So this retails for $13.99. And it just says, have you ever wondered what makes you who you are? Does your sense of self come from the roles you fill? Is it based in your relationship? Maybe you define yourself by your achievements and personal successes, or perhaps by your failures. Truthfully, none of these are large enough to tell you who you are. None of them can speak to your deepest identity and purpose. In fact, they are not even the right questions. The real question is, who are you as a person made in God's image? Who are you as a person designed to display his glory? Until you learn to see your identity in his, you will never know yourself, never truly be yourself, and you were made for so much more, by Hannah Anderson. And this is published by Moody Publishers, and it retails for $13.99. So the box itself has quite a few goodies in it, really sweet goodies that I think are useful. It runs for $36.99. If you do subscribe for 12 months, you can get that price down to $33.99. And then, of course, you have to add shipping and stuff to all these things. So if this is something you're interested, again, I will put the link down below for you, and use the code TracyBogo for your buy one, get one free box. At least, if you are interested, you could do the 1 month and still get that buy one, get one free offer, and, try it out to see if you like it, and then you can continue to subscribe later. So I hope this was a fun unboxing for you, and I am so excited to hear your answers to the culture questions that we had during this unboxing. So put them below so I can read them. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.